I request Jayanta Ghosh of Waymark to make his comments before we move on to the other speakers.
Yeah, hi everyone, good afternoon. And actually the topic leveraging innovation in school. I would like to just to showcase some few points that will be relevant in this present context regarding that particular innovation, leveraging innovations in schools. So that will be very specifically I would like to mention some points due to we have time constraints also. This is technology and creativity. These are the integration. There should be the integration of technology and creativity. That is very important. So far, I think that is creativity is the most vital and significant skills for the success in the 21st century. So far, I'll be talking about this, we have just pointed out is the 4C as the skill, that is collaboration, creativity, then that is critical thinking and communications. This is very important for this innovation part is concerned. So for the, creative education, three threads or three dimensions I would like to say that should be taken care about for the creative education. Should be the teacher's education policy, and at the same time the assessment part is concerned. My second point is for the flipped classroom, the pedagogical approach which can enhance students' learning ability, problem solving and critical thinking. And that particular thing threw away the traditional the teaching methodology, and students can learn more about this type of flipped learning method. Educator since nowadays says that is flipped learning is a revolutionary and very effective mechanism. At the same time, but so far I think that is more research is required for the betterment of the student, to give them as a good platform about this to promote students' learning ability and their problem solving and critical thinking, all these aspects. Then schools part is concerned. I think that is schools, the objective should be in the schools is to equip the students with a excellent technological proficiency along with environment, and at the same time to the validation through resources other than textbook and websites, so they can, as the students can become as a complete human being, not only the technological human being. So when they leave the schools, he or she will be accomplished themselves with goodness to both inwardly and outwardly, and they can cope up in the increasing complex world and without losing their humanity. These are the points actually, this is my observation so far I have noticed. And now another thing is if I say something about from my point of view, that is for this innovation part is concerned, I think that is this explicit courses offerings is very much required, teaching methods, and facilitate teachers training, conduct textbook assessment. These are very essential. So for design thinking is very much nowadays is very this is the very need of the hour. As I have just made one to some extent like a ecosystem, but as this is our observation only, as I would like to share with you all. That is what is the differences, what we can do from our regular educational system through, if we can convert as a design thinking or our approach. Because suppose there is a 100% mandate vocabulary. English should be the only language to expression, but in the design thinking says there is a free expression of participation. That language should not be any bar. Second thing is in the regular education system is academic knowledge, but we say that is not in academic knowledge, that should be the multiple skills should be there. Then suppose there is a competitive spirit. If we in the regular system is telling about the competitive spirits, but we do say that should be the collaborative spirit. Apart from that's in the evaluation rote learning in the regular educational system, but in design thinking we would say that will be the out of box thinking. Even the problem solving is the linear method is applying, but here it should be the repetitive. Then in the perfection, regular system is saying this practicing, more as you do more practice, but in our, this design thinking is saying that should be experimenting. Then there should be the mood, should be the serious mood, but we do recommend that is the playful, that should be the playful nature. And so far the task is concerned, that is the distributed task, but we think that should be the co-creation. And at the same time, the teacher's role, the instructor, but we would like to say this is as a facilitator. So for our observation, as my journey, my organization, actually we are doing, this is the life skills and all this type of, this is very specifically, I don't want to express more. And my sincere gratitude to CII inviting me and giving me this opportunity. Thank you all.